Hey everyone, welcome to TurtlePic. We've just made uploading a whole lot faster, so in this quick video, we'll walk you through how to get your event photos up and ready to share. Let's jump in. This is your dashboard. Hit Create Event and give it a name. We're setting up a wedding here, so anything your guests will recognize works. Then click Create Event, and there it is. Your event's ready, and this is your upload screen. Inside your event, everything lives in folders. Click Create Folder and give it a name. Name it after that part of the day, so it's easy to find later. Hit Create and it's ready. Most events have more than one moment worth keeping separate, so let's add a second one. Same steps, name it and create. Now you've got two. If you want them in a different order, tap Arrange. Just drag a folder to where you want it, and the rest move around it. Then hit Save to lock it in, or cancel if you'd rather leave things as they were. Folders are easy to clean up too. Tap Select, choose the one you don't need and hit Delete. It's gone. And when you're ready, click into a folder to go inside. There are two ways to get your photos in, straight from your device or from Google Drive. Click Add Photos, then choose your device and browse to the folder you want to upload. But here's an even quicker way to do it. Just drag the folder from your computer and drop it right onto the page. And right away you'll see the total size. So go ahead and hit upload and it starts straight away. You'll see the progress down in the bottom right corner, so you can keep an eye on it as your photos go up. Now here's the part that really saves you time. You don't have to sit and wait for that first batch to finish before starting the next one. Just head back to your folders and create another one exactly like before. Then open up the upload option again, the same way you did a moment ago. But this time, instead of dragging a whole folder, you can drag the photos themselves. Hit upload and that's both of them running now. Two batches going at once, side by side, and neither one is waiting on the other. You can also check on an upload while it's still running. Just go back to your folders and open up the one you started first. And here you can watch the previews appearing as the photos land. They'll keep filling in on their own as the upload works through the batch, so you can see exactly how far along it is without having to refresh anything. You can also sort your photos using the options here. And this one's worth knowing. Whatever order you set is the same order your guests will see when they open the gallery, so it isn't just for you. Let's try sorting by name, or newest first, which is handy while photos are still coming in. You'll see it update on its own as each new batch lands, so the latest ones always stay right at the top. There's a list view as well, showing the name, the size, and the upload details for every photo. And if you're looking for one in particular, just hit search and type the file name. And there it is. That file's come straight up. Meanwhile, that second folder has been uploading this whole time. Let's click through and take a look. You can watch it filling up exactly the same way, with previews coming in as each photo lands. And because both were running together, this one's finishing up right alongside the first. No waiting in between. And there we go, that's done too. Once the upload finishes, two more things happen automatically. First, the previews get generated, and after that, face recognition runs. And that's what lets your guests find their own photos in the gallery later on. You don't have to wait around for either of them. Just close the status panel and both will keep running quietly in the background. Previews are done and there's everything finished. Your photos are up, sorted and ready to share. You can also import straight from Google Drive. Just open any folder you've already created and click Upload More. Here are the two options again, Device or Google Drive. A few things to check first. The link has to point to a folder, not a single photo, with sharing set to anyone with the link. And it works whether the folder's in My Drive or a shared drive. So head over to Drive, open the folder you want, and copy the link from the address bar. Then switch back to TurtlePic and paste it in. Click Check Folder. That's checked out fine, so go ahead and import. And they come straight across from Drive. Nothing uploads from your computer, our servers fetch them directly. You can sort by newest first here too, so you can watch the newest photos appearing right at the top. From here, it's exactly the same as before. Once the import's done, previews get generated, and then the faces get indexed. Previews are done. And the faces are indexed. So that's both ways. Upload straight from your device or import from Google Drive. Either way, TurtlePic takes it from there. If you've got any questions, drop us a mail at contact@turtlepic.com and our team will get back to you. And for more tutorials like this one, subscribe to the TurtlePic channel to stay up to date. Thanks for watching.